Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. I'll show you how to lock any app on your iPhone using Face ID with iOS 18. This new feature is a great way to secure your apps, so stick around until the end to learn how. First, make sure you're running iOS 18. To check this, check your iPhone settings and verify that you have installed the latest update. Once that's done, let's get started. Go back to your home screen. For this example, let's say I want to lock the TikTok app, but remember, you can do this with any app. Long press on the app icon until a menu appears. In iOS 18, you'll see an option called Require Face ID. Tap on that. You'll get a pop-up message with two choices: Require Face ID and Hide and Require Face ID. The second option hides the app entirely from your home screen and locks it with Face ID, but we'll focus on the first option first. To lock the app, just select Require Face ID. Your iPhone will scan your face once to confirm it's you. When you see the check mark at the top, the app is now locked. Now, let's test it. If I try to open the TikTok app, you'll see that it's locked and the phone will automatically scan my face. If it recognizes me, the app opens quickly. But if the phone doesn't recognize your face or someone else tries to access it, they'll be prompted to enter your passcode to unlock the app. This is how you can secure your apps with Face ID and your phone passcode. But if you ever want to remove the lock, it's just as easy. Long press the app again and tap Don't Require Face ID. Your iPhone will scan your face to confirm it's you, and the app will be unlocked permanently. Now, anyone can open the app without Face ID or a passcode. And that's how you lock and unlock any app on iOS 18. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.